We have given function g and we have to state the value of each quantity if exists. First, we have to find limit g of t as t approaches 0 from left. Let's find 0, t equals 0, and we approaches 0 from the left side. So this part of our graph going to 0 from the left side. Let's check to which value we are going. This is -1. Here will be -2. When we approaches 0 from the left side, we are going to value -2. So we have first answer, limit g of t as t approaches 0 from left is equal -2. So one more time, when we approaches 0 from the left side, we are going to value -2. Now we have to find the limit g of t as t approaches 0 from right. So when we are going to 0 from the right side, our graph going to -1. So the question be limit g of t as t approaches 0 from the right is equal -1. Now we have to find the limit g of t as t approaches 0. We find that when we approach 0 from the left side, the limit is -2. When we approach 0 from right, the limit is -1. Because these two values are different, -2, -1, it means that the limit g of t as t approaches 0 does not exist. Why? One more time. Because the left and the right limits are different. So limit as t approaches 0 does not exist. Now we have to find the limit g of t as t approaches -2 from left. -2 is here. We approaches -2 from left side. We are going to value 0. So the limit, question D, g of t as t approaches -2 from left, one more time, we are going to -2 from the left side. We approach 0, value 0. So we have our limit. Now we have to find the limit g of t as t approaches -2 from right side. So we are going to -2 from the right side. We are going to this point. So let's check. Value is 1. Here will be 2. So our limit, question E, g of t as t approaches -2 from right is equal, we are going to -2 from right side to that point. We got value 2. So we have our limit. Now we have to find the limit g of t as t approaches -2. We just got that when we approaches -2 from the left side, the limit is 0. And when we approaches negative 2 from the right side, the limit is 2. These two limits are different. It means the limit, question f limit g of t as t approaches negative 2 does not exist. One more time, why? Because left and the right limits are different. So the limit as t approaches negative 2 does not exist. Now we have to find the limit g of t as t approaches 3. So let's find 3. We have 2, 3, and let's check what happened to our g function. When we are going to 3 from the left side and from the right side, we see that we are going to this point, and the value of our g function will be 3, 4. So we can write that when limit of g of t as t approaches 3 is equal 4. One more time, why? Because when we are going to 3 from the left side and from the right side, we are going to that point. And for that point, our value of g function is 4. So we have limit as t approaches 3. Now we have to find the value g of 0. We have to find 0, t equals 0, and value for 0 is negative 1. So we have H. Question, value g of 0 is equal negative 1. One more time. Value g of 0 is equal negative 1.